Kids earn a ticket to enter the Grand Prize drawings when they reach their summer reading goals. For readers in the Birth to Age 5 program, the goal is to read or listen to 60 books. The goal for readers in grades K to 8 is to read or to be read to for 1,000 minutes. Kids can earn additional Grand Prize tickets by reading beyond their goals. Here's how to enter tickets into a drawing using the Beanstack app. Start by tapping the circle in the top right corner. Now choose your reader. Scroll down to see current challenges. Then tap the Summer Reading Program. Scroll down, then tap Drawings. You'll see at the top how many tickets your reader has to enter into the drawings. If your reader has multiple tickets, they can either enter them in multiple drawings or put them all into one. Tap the name of the drawing your child wishes to enter their tickets into. Now tap Add Remove Tickets. Use the plus sign to add tickets to the drawing. Tap Add Tickets again. And that's it. Your reader's ticket has been entered into the drawing. The Grand Prize ticket drawings will take place after the program is over. Winners will be notified by phone. Good luck! Check out more Beanstack app tutorials at glenviewpl.org/srp20.